How to create a Shopee account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can create a new Shopee account. For this, you want to open the Shopee app on your device. You can also open up any web browser and head over to shopee.com. If you open the application, then this is the interface you will see. Now, if you want to create a new account, tap on the sign up option at the bottom of your screen. It will bring you to this page. Now, if you want to sign up, you want to enter your phone number over here, then tap on the next option. If you do not want to use your phone number to create a new account, you can also sign up with your Google account or sign up with your Facebook account. If you decide to use your phone number to create an account, on the next page you will have to create a password. Go ahead and create that. Then you will have to enter some personal details such as your first name, last name, date of birth. Let's say you want to create a new Shopee account using Gmail. Go ahead and tap on the sign up with Google option. Now you will have to enter your Google account credentials. So you want to enter your Gmail ID and password. After that, you want to select your language. Tap on the OK option after you have selected that. Once you do that, in these easy steps, your new account has been successfully created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.